Hello students. In our last session, we had talked about the addition methods of integers. Today, we are going to discuss the subtraction method. You know that subtraction is opposite of addition. So in addition, we add or combine two numbers, whereas in subtraction, we take away one number from another. In our previous session, you had seen that to add positive integer, you have to move to the right. Suppose -3 plus 2. So first we have to draw the number line. So here 2 is one positive integer. For that, what you have to do? You have to start from -3 and move to the right 2 units. By that, you will get -1. So -1 is the answer. Just opposite of that, to subtract a positive integer, you have to move to the left. For addition, you have to move to the right, and for subtraction, you have to move to the left. So suppose same number we are taking, -3. Now -2. Subtraction. Here also we have to draw number line. Okay, so same, we have to start from -3, but that time we have to move to the left 2 units. So by moving left 2 units from -3, we are getting -5. So answer would be -5. Next, to add a negative integer, you have to move to the left. Suppose 4 plus -3. Beforehand we have added positive integer. Now we are adding negative integer. So here also we have to start from number 4 and we have to move to the left 3 units. So we are getting here +1. This is for addition. Now for subtraction, just opposite. Here you are moving to the left. Now you have to move to the right. Same number we are taking, that is 4 minus minus 3. So we have to start from 4, but we have to move now to the right on number line 3 units. So we are getting plus 7. So I think you have understood by that to subtract a positive integer, you have to move left, and to subtract a negative integer, you have to move to the right. Now, one rule of subtraction. If A and B are two integers, then we can say A minus B equals to A plus in bracket minus B. For that, practically we have to change the sign of integer to be subtracted and then add the two integers by following the addition method. So here you can see that here the sign of the number or integer that is to be subtracted is positive, but here by putting positive sign here, we are changing the sign of that integer to the negative. That is the one rule of the subtraction. Suppose you have to subtract 7 from 12. For that we have to write 12 minus 7. If we change it to the addition mode, what we have to do? By following this rule, 12 plus minus 7. We are changing the sign of the integer that is to be subtracted, that is from positive to negative. Now we have to apply the rule of the addition. That is, what was the rule of the addition? To add one positive and one negative integer, you have to subtract smaller one from the larger one, and you have to put the value, you have to put the sign of the larger number in front of the value obtained. So first we have to subtract smaller one, that is 7, from larger one, that is 12. So we are getting 5. But what will be the sign here? The sign of the larger integer, that is the 12 sign. So what is the sign of number 12? Positive. So here also positive. Next, one more we can see. Number 3 from minus 4. So minus 4 minus 3. Here 4 is negative integer and 3 is positive integer. So by applying this rule, minus 4 plus minus 3, changing the sign of this integer, So what is the rule of addition to add two negative integers? You have to just add the absolute values of these two integers. So absolute value of -4 is 4 and absolute value of -3 is 3. So the answer would be 7. But what will be the sign? The sign of the integers, that is -7. Next, by taking one big value, we can do that process. Suppose -250 minus, in bracket, -325. -250 plus, we are changing the sign of this integer, so from minus it will turn to the plus, so plus 325. So what rule we have to apply here to add one positive and one negative integer? Same like that. From larger one you have to subtract the smaller one and put the value of the larger one in front of the value. So by normal subtraction we are getting 75, and what will be the sign? Sign of the larger number, that is the 325. So the sign will be positive. Now one more thing we will discuss, that is the successor and predecessor. What is the successor? One more than a given integer. If a is an integer, then we can write the successor of a is equals to a plus 1, because it is one more than the given integer. So that is a plus 1. Now what is predecessor? It is one less than the given integer. So if a is an integer, so predecessor of a equals to a minus 1, 1 less than. So if you are told to find out the successor and predecessor of -5, so successor of -5 equals to -5 plus 1, that is -4, and same way predecessor of -5 is equals to -5 minus 1, that is -6. So by that, today we are ending our session. Bye and have a good day.